Hello and welcome to the Manufacturers Make Stride podcast, and today we're joined by Anthony Walker. So Anthony is a strategic manager at Liverpool John Moores University, and Anthony has over 15 years experience working with small businesses, and he's helped them to embrace innovation, adopt new technologies and grow in a fast-changing world.
SMEs are fantastic. They've got fantastic ideas, they've got fantastic people, but they're fantastically busy as well. And sometimes in order to kind of grow or get that leg up to the next stage, I think just a little bit of help sometimes needed. We're seeing challenges from a shop floor, seeing the challenges of we've got an order to get out. It's got to be out by Thursday. Well, it's just got to be out by Thursday. It doesn't matter what we've got to do. There will be data around, whether it's collected or not collected. And all of a sudden, once we start analysing and utilising and visualising that data, we find ways of being more efficient. We worked with a 5th generation company just a year or so ago, fantastic company, who were literally saying, we've probably got about 7 months left. We can't afford to keep going, right? I've got to digitalise, right? I've been told to grow, to be in the modern world, we've got to do this, right? Can I have 4 AR, please? Can I have Industry 4 in a box?